Right now, maybe the easiest time to become a tattooist. There are so many resources to actually learn how to tattoo, whether it's online, YouTube, an apprenticeship, the list's endless. But one thing that I've been struggling to find and that I've never seen is education on how to actually go full time as a tattoo artist. What's the transition? How do you turn your passion and love for art into a business that allows you to do it for longer? Well, I've managed to keep my business going for fucking over 10 years, so quite a long time. So I've kind of seen a lot that works, amazing, but all the shit that don't work as well. So in this video, I'm going to give you a 3-phase plan that is proven to gain masses of customers. I've got tons of case studies that their business has absolutely skyrocketed after implementing these tips. Now, this video is assuming that you've already begun the journey learning how to tattoo and you're starting to make progress. If you haven't already started and you're looking to start and improve at a drastic pace, I've got the biggest online tattoo school worldwide that'll get you up to scratch doing multiple tattoos from start to finish, and it costs less than $1 a lesson. And the beauty about it is it's not a year thing. It'll get you up to the stage where you can follow this advice in just 30 days. But anyway, okay, so tattooing is an art form. The only problem with that is people take so much pride in the art, they kind of forget that it's a business and you've got to market that business to make it successful. And I totally get it because it makes sense. We're artists, so that's what we focus on. But it's not going to give you the longevity in this industry to have a successful career, because you're not going to have the money to sustain it. If you've not got the customers there, we ain't got the money coming in either. If you run a good business, then you're going to be able to do your art and what you're passionate about for even longer. But without the marketing, that's just never going to happen. We cannot neglect it. For tattooists that are not yet full-time, this will enable you to get more customers. So starting at number 1, you're going to be at a certain phase in your career. So first thing that you need to do is recognize which phase you're at and don't skip phases. If you're in phase 1, listen to that advice until you become phase 2. If you're already there, listen to that advice before you do stage 3. So first stage, phase 1, is posting. Why is that massively important? Listen, if you're already tattooing, you're in phase 1. The next thing that you've got to do before you can get to stage 2 is obviously the brand awareness. We've got to show people what you're capable of. We've got to create that burning desire for anybody that sees your work for them to come and book in. We can do that by demonstrating ability. If you remember anything from this video, just remember this one little story. I've said it in a few videos, but you might not have seen that, so I want to mention it again. Listen, you could have the cure of cancer sat in your bedroom on your bed with a test tube with cure of cancer in it. It is fucking useless unless everybody knows about it. Everybody would want your product because there's a massive need for it. But unless you've got the marketing, unless you're shouting about it and telling everybody about it, nobody knows that you're sat there, Billy No Mates, in your fucking Speedos on corner of your bed with this cure. Yeah, we've got to shout. We've got to be loud. And marketing, putting posts on, if you're wanting the most customers, you've got to shout louder than your competitors. Once you start gathering some momentum, you're tattooing, you're getting posts out there, people know who you are, then we move on to phase 2. Start running competitions. Listen, these are like an explosion in your business when done properly. 99.9% of businesses, not just tattoo artists, because I've seen it in multiple niches, do this completely wrong. I want to just quickly explain why, just as an overview so you understand. Think of any industry and they always run competitions. Win a free tattoo, win a free haircut, a free month on sunbeds. It applies to any industry. To enter the competition, you've got to like, comment and share. Right, that's brilliant for a little bit of engagement, but where's the money? Where's everybody coming to book in? Let's just say 5,000 people enter that competition. One winner is going to get the free product, in this case a tattoo. Well, what happens to the other 4,999 people? How are we communicating with them? Well, we're not, are we? So I like to advise that we do things different. Rather than just like, comment and share, we get them to sign up with a form so we capture that person's email. Then on the day that we announce the winner, we email everybody else. The 4,999 people have now just got an email that they're going to open because we're going to put the subject as winner announced. For last month, they might have been thinking, God, I hope I win that competition. This is what I'd have as a tattoo. It creates that urgency, that excitement around the product. But and then we're going to email them, really sorry, thank you for joining the competition. You've made it a massive success. Unfortunately, you're not the lucky winner. However, as a thank you for contributing and making making it so successful, I want to offer you, it could be X amount off, a percentage off, a discount in one way or other, anything that you can think of, but give them some more incentive to book in. So that way of running a competition, not only are you doing the free tattoo, but you are maximising, capitalising on every single person that entered. And I've done this time and time again. It's took people from getting just a handful of stragglers coming in for a tattoo just off the back of it because she sparked a bit of curiosity, to literally filling somebody's diaries months in advance because you've got hundreds of people all wanting to get the bit of discount, all wanting the percentage off. And they've all been sat thinking, if I won that competition, this is what I would have. Everybody's talking about you. That's how I'd run things different. And this is massively exciting, isn't it? Because it's getting you a ton of customers in, which leads me on to phase 3. Repeat customers is absolutely key. All right, I'll use myself as an example. I closed my diary for 2 years. I would not accept any new customers unless I'd tattooed that person before. I told them that I wasn't taking bookings because I had that many customers coming in repeatedly. They were having to wait months, sometimes years in advance before I could get them in for the next appointment. And I was growing at the same time, so I had to physically say, look, I cannot manage any more customers. Let me just finish everybody's work that I've already started. It took me 2 years to get that to a low enough level where I thought, right, I need to start taking more customers on now. There's ways of doing that. To grow your business, it's not always about getting new customers. What about every customer that you've already sold to? What about just getting them back in and them spending money again? There's certain things that we can implement that is super simple to do that doubles, sometimes even triples the amount of returning customers that you get. Instantly quadrupling size of your business by just doing a simple little thing. Like, without all of you guys, this channel just would not be possible at all. So thank you. And we've got so many big plans for the future. So if you want to become a part of it and help the channel grow, and also get 2 exclusive follow along tattoo lessons every single week, plus a load more cool free stuff just chucked in there willy-nilly. It's just $14.99 a month, thereabouts, for literally as long or as little as you want. Check the link in the description. Thank you. Instantly quadrupling size of your business by just doing a simple little thing like sending some emails out, sending vouchers out, sending thank yous, leave us a review, all that constant contact. Little things like planting the seed whilst you're actually doing the tattoo, and not just because it's randomly in a conversation, but you've purposely reminded yourself to do that. As you're doing the tattoo and you're having your friendly chats and you're getting to know each other and building that little bit of rapport, start talking about, oh, do you know something? I think this would go really well with that. Plant the seed for future ideas. Show masses of excitement as you're tattooing. There's nothing more than a customer wants than to walk into somewhere and be made to feel special. Just imagine they've got a post-it note on their head saying, make me feel special. And if you can attack it like that, they're going to feel good, they're going to want to come back. And please, if you're still watching now, I'd love to hear your feedback on this. And we'll talk about a different industry entirely, but I just want your opinion. So if you were to go to a really nice restaurant or a really nice hotel, it's standard that we expect the interiors to look a certain way and be of a certain standard. But I think personally, it's the way that the receptionist would speak to you, just as an example. They talk really nice to you, they're very polite, and it stands out. To me, that's the thing that makes you want to go back. Let me know in comments if you agree to that fact, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't be scared of leaving a comment. Listen, I always try and get back to as many people as possible. But listen, that's my basic outline of the 3-phase plan to go full-time doing what you love. By the end of this new year, you could be full-time. If you implement these phases and work through them in the correct order, it can be achieved in months. It's not necessarily something that takes years. And that's not just with zero proof. I've actually done this with people, like I said earlier, that have gone from never been more than 2 weeks booked up to within 3 months of me educating and saying, look, this is what you need to change, just try it, to being 6 months to a year booked up. The proof is in the pudding. But on that note, listen, if you found this video useful and you want to watch more content, go check the videos out on the channel. We've got stuff that cover everything from learning how to tattoo, tips on running the business, and the big one, how to market that business so you get a flood of customers coming in. But there's stuff on everything. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.